power's out. Cameron has a call, so we need to go to City Center. It's okay, Julian. Just get your shoes on, okay?
All right, let's keep going.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go.
So, I finished my call. We are in Walmart because if we go home, there's probably not gonna be any power. Not gonna be any AC. We don't want that.
When we say critters, we mean critters. What even is that leg?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Like, why is it so long? That's crazy.
Yeah,
what is that for?
I don't know what that's for. Remember, guys, me and Nina are in the mornings. We're doing our lives with our P90X workout. So if you're up early and you don't like those things, come check us out online.
First haircut today. You ready? Mande. You looking good, Julian. You turn around, give me a twirl.
Oh, yeah.
Turn around. Okay.
Going to the English library. It's been a while, but we're going. Alright, I didn't get any footage, so if you know, we've been here before many times. This is the English library. There are many, oh, let's not do that. There are many things to do here. There's also like a room with like, AC in it, so you can get some AC. I actually bought some books here too. They had a few interesting ones, but they also have like a kids section too. And also we'll go outside because they have a puzzle section here, and then they have like an outdoor place that has like a bunch of board games. So all these puzzles, let me see, all these puzzles. And they have the big one too I was gonna do. I don't even know if it's out. Now they don't have it out anymore, but it's like a 7,000. And then they have like toys for the kids if you have younger ones. Nina used to love these books, these little nasty fairy books. I don't like them. Very repetitive stuff, but yeah, so there's this. Let me go outside. So we have an outdoor section. That's Princey. And then we have all of this out here. Yes. Let's see if I can get some footage without getting bit. Ooh, yeah. I'm cool. I'm good. If you've been watching the channel, you know I'm not a cat person. I'm not a dog person. I don't have any issues. It's a matter of respect. If I was a dog, don't touch me. If I was a cat, don't touch me. So I give that respect. Yeah, it was really good. I enjoyed the library. I didn't have that many calls early this morning, so I was able to really take the time and go to the library with Nina. So I'm really glad we did that. We found some good books. Good books. I'll share it later. We're headed to Nina's art show. Again, this day has been good because I haven't had to work as much. I found some money in my pocket. And yeah, so we gotta, okay. Yeah, this is Nina's art show. Art show Sunday. Oh yeah, the boy got a haircut. Fresh cut, boy, you're looking clean.
This part is kind of sticking out.
Hey.
Can I fix it?
Oh, you want to show her? Yes. Well, you giving her that matrix. That
This
Trinity.
is how she did it. I'm just fixing it up.
Giving her that Trinity
It
from
does
the
look kind
Matrix.
of cool, actually. She can rock that style for sure.
Absolutely. Over here at City 32, over across from the City Center Walmart, and we're going to Nina's art show.
I think his stuff is already on the wall. It's on that first wall. On that first wall.
y es aquí mi querida Gloria Hidalgo. Ella es artista, es ilustradora, artesana, porque y lo que todos los que nos dedicamos de cualquier manera a estar realizando un proceso creativo, pues ahí vamos, ¿no? A experimentar y pues a ver qué sale.
Oh, yes.
Y es lo que hacemos y parte de ese resultado es el que estamos viendo el día de hoy. Alguien que explora, que juega, que investiga y crea constantemente a través del arte. Es un éxito. Con un fuerte aplauso a Gloria Hidalgo, Gato Feroz.
Nina. Nina, wait. Okay, thank you.
Les van a volver a tomar, ¿no?
Yeah, not really. He'll be fine.
Whoa, whoa,
Like,
whoa.
he'll probably be upset and cranky, but he'll be fine.
I swear you have videos of him doing this as a baby.
That's probably what he was doing in the womb.
Ooh, he almost got me in the face. Look at that right there. For the channel. What happened?
One of our children, both of our children, all of our children somehow got a pack of hot dogs under the washing machine. And nobody said anything about it. Nobody knew about it for God knows how long. I can't remember the last time we had hot dogs for dinner. Start noticing a lot of little fruit flies going on. They're not coming from the bananas. I don't know where they are. We took the trash out.
Yeah, it was like a lot of fruit flies and we couldn't figure out what's going on.
Yeah, so then I go to start the wash tonight and there's just like 20 of them just fly out of the closet.
Yeah, so we had to open it up and we found fruit flies.
Here we are.
I think Nina said it was her. You said you were messing with the hot dogs? What were you thinking about with the bugs when you saw them?
I don't want to eat that. I mean, I never want to eat that.
This is what we tell you, stay out the fridge.
Can you give me the room? I don't want to go.
Yeah, I just said it. I'm glad it wasn't a rat. I'm glad it wasn't a rat or like Becca said, an iguana or something. No. A spider wouldn't make that many fruit flies. No, not at all. Something big and something dead. Pack of hot dogs. Vegan hot dogs.
Okay, we are trying out a play place. I don't know if it's new or it's just new to us, but they have open play in the afternoons where you can just pay for them to play, for kids to play in the area. And apparently they have nannies and things, so we'll see.
Ready?
Yep.
And me that.
Julian. Ready? Yep.
1, 2. She almost pushed off of me on her chest and almost went backwards.
Whoa. We're at the playroom. What you doing, Julian?
I get a video of you going down the slide again?
Hi, I'm gonna visit the court over here. I'm gonna go on this big slide that has like this thing. So we're gonna take a video inside. Get through all of this. And these, get out of my way. These curtains. This rolly thing. Or I could go there. Let me go this. Oh, it's so tight. I'll move this thing out the way. There's a trampoline over there. I'm gonna jump a little. This is fun. Now I'm gonna go through the little tube and down the slide. Going through this thing. Almost out. Maybe I should move this spiky thing. And now, just have to go zigzag, zig, and a zag. Now, go up here, down the big slide. This is it. This is it. I'm gonna do this. That was fun. So sorry I got it a little bit like shaky. So I'll just try next time. But yeah, if it's okay with you guys, I'm fine. But yeah, I need to play, and there, I am done.
Okay.
Oh my God, it's a little bunny.
Very, very, very kid friendly. Even got the nice changing table. Julian has his shoes on. Evening out here in Central. Can't really see, but about to do a ceramic painting class. Okay, so it's in here, okay? Right here. It's an eye mask. Give you a little gift.
This one I love. What's a timber? Oh.
¿Qué amabilidades para todo el Sí, mi mamá hacía de esas manualidades.
De contra, usted no pica y alimenta cuentos con amitas es que hay de calidad ya. Vas a hacer bien. Te puedes llevar esta unidad completamente nueva a casa. El día de hoy, resultados es el área de entretenimientos y de comida, alimentos, ¿vale? Son los únicos, de resto todas nuestras tiendas para...
So these are the final products from last night. Gotta find a way to like glaze them or something if we actually want to use them, because there's hella paint in there. But it was cool. It was a nice event. Did you like the The teacup painting thing?
Yeah, I liked it a little bit because mine wasn't very good.
I like yours.
The blue made it a little bit more darker, so I didn't like that.
Okay.
But a monster's attacking the ship.
But yeah, it was a cool event. The technique was cool. You use like the napkin to put the print image on there. It's from this company. I'll show you the sticker. They gave us little stickers and coupons off and some other little gifts. This is the name of the art studio if you want to look them up on Instagram that does the events. I think it was like 620 pesos for both of us to go, both of us to attend. And it was at a cafe where the drinks and food was definitely reasonable price. So yeah, I would definitely do it again. But thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please give it a like or subscribe to our channel to see more. If you have any ideas about what do you want to see, what you don't want to see, put it in the comments. But yeah, until next time.